Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and today I have an update video for the challenge giveaway I got going on. Some of you already know, but I'm going to go over some stuff and give you an update of what's going on. First of all, most of you know I was sick for a week and I got kind of behind on a lot of things, and so that is one reason why if you have sent something in and it's not loaded up yet, the video of me opening it, I've only got one or two more left, but I'm trying to get to those. I didn't only get behind in doing the videos in YouTube, I got behind in household chores such as doing laundry and, you know, going grocery shopping and stuff like that. So I'm kind of trying to even my time out to get everything caught back up, and it's a little bit challenging, but we will get it done. Anyway, this is about the challenge. First of all, I've had a really good response to my challenge, and I want to thank all of you, and I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome to Jelly Bean Junction. I am so thrilled that you are here, and hopefully pretty soon, after I get things caught up, we can start doing some tutorials on a few different things I have some ideas for. So, first of all, let me say this. If you have shared the video, first of all, I'm going to put a little eye up here in the corner that will link back. You can click on it and it'll take you to the video, the main video of the giveaway that shows all the rules, what needs to be done, how to get extra entries, and the prize package, because the prize package is really big. I promised y'all to add more if we got enough entries. I'll go over that in a minute, but so far the prize package is too big to put in the largest if it fits it ships box. So it's going to be a big box for first prize. That's one of the reasons why I didn't get this video uploaded. I was looking for more stuff to add and trying to figure out what I could fit all in a box, but everything that I had already included will not fit in a if it fits it ships box, so I had to go a little bit larger. Anyway, if you have shared the video, I still need you to email me your information, because when someone wins, I want to be able to go ahead and send it out, because in my previous videos where I was doing kits and giving away the examples that I made, only out of everything I gave away, only 2 things were claimed. Nobody else claimed their prizes. So before I do this giveaway, I want to make sure everyone that enters, I have their information. So whoever wins, I can ship it out to them and not have to wait for them to contact me. Also, I need your email address to notify you in the event something comes up and, you know, I can't mail your prize out immediately or whatever. So even if you share, I still need you to go back to the first video, and underneath everything that's listed that I need as a part of your entry, I need that information as well. Also, if you share, I need everyone to use this hashtag here, Jellybeans Challenge. I went to Instagram and I put it up, and there's only like 3 where people have used the hashtag, and I'm pretty sure there's been more than 3 people that have shared it to Instagram. I did find a few, and Twitter and Facebook the same way. If you don't send me a direct link to where you posted, and you don't have to do it under the video, you can also just email me your link if you don't want to put all your information underneath the video. I understand that, and I didn't think of that when I first was telling how to do it in the first video. I didn't think of that. If you just shared on your personal Facebook page, just send me an email and let me know I shared on my personal Facebook page. This is my name on Facebook. And +2, if you use this hashtag, it'll be a lot easier for me to find it. It doesn't always come up, but it makes most of the time it does. So anyway, that's all the update on the information I need, and to let y'all know about entries. I have got one more entry that's on its way in the mail that I know of, which will make number 10. And somehow or another I skipped number 5 when doing the videos. When I numbered the videos to upload them on mail-in entry number, somehow or another I skipped 5, and I don't know how that happened. I may have just said it wrong in the video and fixed it. Like I said, I've been sick, so my mind hasn't been real clear. But anyway, but I will have, with the people who are sharing, I do have 10 entries. And I told everyone that if I have 10 entries, I would add more to first prize and have a second prize. So that's another reason why I'm here today, because I am going to add more to first prize. Now, you can click on the little eye up in the corner and go back and watch the video to see everything already included. This is an additional to that. And just quickly, a couple of the big things. One was one of the dressers that I made, like this. One of the little dressers, the purple one, is included in that prize package. You also get your choice of one of 3 We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And there's also a giant box of eyelash trim in various colors. But that's just the main things. There's a lot more in there as well. So, everything that's included in that video, plus this, I'm going to show you. Also is going to be these Roommates butterfly stickers. Now, these are pretty good size, but what I did with them, and I know everybody doesn't like shabby, and maybe someone just likes butterflies, is why I included this pack, plus there's more in here. But I took them and I put feathers in the center of them and packaged them up to give as an extra goodie in some of the swaps and stuff. But I thought they were real pretty like this, but I'm a shabby girl, so that's why I'm including these and not the one with the feathers. So you can do them the way you want to, but you'll get that pack. I also have a new glue gun that will be included. It's one of the little quick deals, but never have too many glue guns, always need a backup. I also have this rose gold stapler, and it's hard to see, it's brand new, but it is rose gold. I'm trying to see if I can get it where you can see it, but it is so pretty. It's clear and rose gold. That's going to be included. Also, I have put a kind of a collection of stickers for the upcoming holidays, and I have, let me push this over a minute, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and Easter, chocolate bunnies, and Mother's Day. It's got Mom up here. And then I have several of these, so I'm putting these in. This one is a jointed ballerina that you can move to what position you want her, and this one is a mermaid that is jointed that you can move into the position you would like. Those. Also, these are like, the flowers are like pearls. They're little roses that are like, they have the coating like pearls. It looks like pearls, and then the bling with the stars, a pack of that. Also, I have some foam brushes. You can never have too many foam brushes. Everybody knows how to use those. I also have 2 packs of Artsy glitter in gold, black, white, and silver, and blue, green, purple, and pink. I know some people don't like glitter. If you don't, you can always use it and gift it in one of your swaps. Also, I'm going to include one of these 228 piece jump ring box. And this has some very unique jump rings. Some of them look like chain links, but those are the ones that work really good on the pocket letter because it's deep inside the hole. You'll get a whole box of those. Also, I have 2 different Inkadinkadoo stamps. Here and here. You'll get both of those. And I have a stamp block in case you don't have one. So all of that is going to be added to the already shown prize package now. So I won't get it mixed up. Let me move this one out of the way for a minute, because now I'm going to show you what second prize package is. Second prize. And again, I'll do the random.org. I'm in the process now of assigning numbers to all the points that everyone's gotten. And I'm fixing to start sending out emails within the next couple of days. And when you get your numbers, those are the numbers that will be yours for the drawing. When I do the random.org, I'm just going to put in to pick a number between 1 and how many ever numbers I have, and whatever number it picks will be first prize. Then I'll do it again for second prize. So, and in the event the same person is drawn for second prize, I will redraw to make it fair. I don't think it's fair that someone wins first and second prize. So everyone's getting a lot of numbers because y'all are sending in a lot of stuff and getting a lot of points. So in the event that the person that I draw their number wins first prize, if their one of their numbers are drawn again for second prize, I'll redraw and give someone else a chance. So anyway, second prize is, are y'all ready for this? Get ready, y'all gonna like this. Okay, first thing in second prize is this Project Life album. It's a 6x8 album. It has the 3-ring binder inside. You'll get this. You can always recover it, do it like you want to. I took one and decoupaged it with a napkin. That turned out real pretty. Also, I have, since Easter's coming up, some felt Easter bunny stickers with carrots and bunnies in 2 or 3 different positions there. I also have a baby eyelash trim box. Now, this one's got 12 different eyelash trims, where the other one had like 37 or 38, something like that. But this one has 12 different eyelash trims. There's like a yard, some of them's a little over a yard on each one. And I also in the center included some of these real pretty iridescent pearls, and they're not round. All of them's not round. There's a few round. They're pink, green, and purple, mint green and purple, and they're real pretty. I'm pretty sure you've seen other people haul them and use them, but I put some of those in there in the center just so it wouldn't look empty. But you're going to get this little flower organizer box with the 12 different eyelash trims and the pearls. Also, I'm saving the best for last, y'all. Also, I'm going to include this 50 sheet pack of cardstock. It's 8x8 pastel cardstocks. You'll get that pack. You'll get a pack of the DIY fry box kits. I know a lot of the swaps, they do fry boxes, and this is a pack that has the fry box with the little decorations on them you can use in your swaps. This is a little, I thought these were so cute, and I thought anybody could use these. It's a little book, but it's out flat so you can see what it is. But it's a little book of little tiny post-it notes with cupcakes. Isn't that sweet? I just thought that was darling. And you can carry it in your purse or cover the front and put something else on it and give it as a gift in one of your swaps. Also, I put a few stickers in here. St. Patrick's Day. the green, and I'm also including a ballerina, jointed ballerina, and a jointed mermaid. Now, also some bling from Doris, and I thought since Easter's coming up, I didn't have any more of the other Easter stickers, and I had this. These are cute. I thought I would put those in there, little chicks. And the best thing of all for second prize is a mini alphabet punch board that's going to be included for second prize. All of that with the punch board is second prize. Now, I have extended the dates. I don't think I told y'all that. That was the most important thing. I extended the dates for a couple different reasons. Number one, I got sick and got behind. Number two, a lot of the bad weather up north and northwest, the post offices shut down for a while. So they're really having a hard time getting mail out and in. So I thought it was only fair to kind of extend it and give everyone a chance. So now you have to have your mail-in swaps for extra points in no later than February 28th, last day of this month. And then on March the 3rd, I will draw the winners. And again, if you have shared on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, any of the social media, even Google Plus, if you've shared on any of those, I still need you to email me, and my email address will be below. I still need you to email me and give me the information, your name, address. I'd like to have your birthday and your likes and dislikes. You don't have to, but just include what you want. But I do need your address and name and email address. So I think I have covered everything. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them below, or you can email me. And if I think of anything else, I'll put it below, because I'm running around with my head cut off right now for the simple reason that I'm just trying to catch up on everything. But I thank every one of you for your patience and understanding in this, and I will be uploading some more videos of me opening entries. So y'all have a crafty day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.